Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva for a poster. First, open Canva and choose from hundreds of pre-designed templates or start with a blank canvas. You can explore categories like marketing, events, or educational posters to find the perfect starting point. Selecting a template that aligns with your message is key to a successful design. This initial step sets the foundation for your creative project, making the design process smooth and efficient from the very beginning. Now let's customize your chosen template. You can easily modify text, select from thousands of fonts, and change colors to match your brand or theme. Upload your own images, logos, or graphics to add a personal touch and make your poster truly unique. Don't forget to explore Canva's vast library of elements, icons, and illustrations to enhance your design with professional-looking assets. This step allows for complete creative control over your visual message. To make your poster visually appealing, enhance your images by applying filters, adjusting transparency, or cropping them for better focus. Use Canva's intuitive alignment tools and grouping features to arrange elements precisely, ensuring a clean and professional layout. Experiment with different color palettes and font pairings to achieve visual harmony and effectively convey your message. A well-organized and aesthetically pleasing design will capture your audience's attention more effectively. Finally, it's time to finalize and share your masterpiece. Before downloading, carefully review your poster for any errors in text, alignment, or image quality. Once satisfied, you can download your finished poster in various formats, such as PDF for printing or JPG and PNG for digital sharing. Share your design directly to social media platforms or print it out for physical display, reaching your audience effectively with your stunning creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.